Do you dream of playing the piano but think it'll take years and years of practice? I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to. I'm going to walk you through my 4-step beginner process with simple chords that you can use to play the song Lean on Me by the end of this video. So if that sounds good to you, grab a bench and let's get started. Now, when you look at the piano, you're going to notice sets of 2 black keys and 3 black keys going in a pattern all up and down the piano. Our home base is going to be here by the 2 black keys. I always like to say 2 black keys, C, D, E. So you have C, D, E. Then I like to say 3 black keys and F, G, A, B. So 2 black keys, C, D, E. 3 black keys, F, G, A, B. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb and go up the C scale. So we start on C, and we go to D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And this gets our thumb used to moving, because now what we're going to do is we're going to make it a chord. So we're going to make it a C chord, C, E, G. And we use our 1, 3, 5 fingers. Then we're going to move to D, and we use our 1, 3, 5. E, 1, 3, 5. F, 1, 3, 5. G, 1, 3, 5. A, 1, 3, 5. B, 1, 3, 5. C, 1, 3, 5. The major chord progressions that you need for most pop songs are the 1 chord, which in the key of C is the C chord. The 5 chord, which is a G chord. The 6, which is an A minor chord. And then the 4, which is F. Yes, you can kind of practice. Then move to G. Lean on Me, we're going to start on the C chord, and wherever it's highlighted, you're going to play that chord. So on the first line, it gives us C, F, C. So those are our main chords. So you might want to drill that for a little bit. C, F, C. Okay, and then when you get to the second line, you want to practice moving up to the G. So we're going to put it all together just like this with a pumping style chord. So